What do the words China, socially responsible, green, luxury have in common? They all have to do with a new concept which could invigorate China's economy by introducing the creation of Chinese luxury green brands. What does the world think when they hear Chinese products? Low cost, outsourcing, manufacturing comes to mind. China needs to stop being the anonymous manufacturer for the world and develop its own unique brands. In 2009, a Newsweek article reported, Premier Wen Jiabao calls for China to create companies that can innovate and churn out brand name export products. Unique Chinese brands not only increase margins and market share for exports, it also increases domestic consumption. Chinese luxury brands present Chinese culture to the world. There are many homegrown brands in China, such as Li Ning's athletic wear, Haier Electronics, Yuxi Cosmetics, and other brands Chinese people have known and trust, but have not well known in the world. Traditional couture has brand names such as Rui Fuxiang, Bu Yingzhai, Tongshen Hang. They all have magnificent pasts, but lack the modern management systems and marketing abilities. Annie Tiger comes to mind as the first Chinese luxury brand. However, it is meeting competition from mature luxury industries in Europe expanding into China. Why is it hard for China to develop its own brands? Take the luxury industry, for example. It lacks the international designs, trained and experienced management, and financial resources for marketing and for consumer trust, acknowledgement, and loyalty. There is a global green trend on the rise, with 34% of consumers more likely to buy a product if it is green. Many luxury consumers are part of an affluent global elite that is increasingly well-educated and concerned about social and environmental issues and social track records. World Wildlife Federation's Deeper Luxury Report ranked the top 10 luxury brands on their environmental and social track records. What we propose is the family of Chinese luxury. A luxury association can be formed which draws on traditional Chinese brands as well as well-known Chinese brands committed to quality of life. Together, this family of Chinese luxury can pool the resources together for marketing, training, design ideas, environmental and social initiatives. This not only is a single company's commitment to quality, luxury, and the Chinese brand, but a family of companies. This family can have a code of conduct, training regimen, as well as large enough international and domestic presence. This family of Chinese brands defines a lifestyle that transcends through 5,000 years of Chinese history. For luxury is not about expensive watch or purse, but about a better quality of life and a way of living. It speaks to traditional Chinese values and tells the Chinese story. No change is possible without action. Implementation Step 1. Gain government support to ensure quality control. We need government to support and ensure factories are compliant with manufacturing quality standards and health safety laws. International golden standards will be used as benchmarks. Implementation Step 2. Develop a sense of connection with luxury consumers. Hire a marketing firm with global experience in luxury marketing and reputation for good business practices that can present to the world the story behind these products. Implementation Step 3. Strategic alliances. As we are aiming at green luxury, we will need the support of different not-for-profit organizations to give us credibility as they would help consumers trust in our message is true. Organizations such as World Wildlife Federation, Friends of the Earth, and World Bank could be approached for partnership projects. With pooled resources and codependent symbiotic relationship that ensures knowledge sharing quality, and this family of Chinese luxury achieves a gestalt effect where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. This family of brands can be the first of many that organizes in various industries. It will be the prototype of quality Chinese refined living and traditional couture. It will increase domestic market share and expenditures on Chinese products. Drawing from China's rich history and culture, there are a multitude of products which will satisfy categories of luxury goods and bought globally. Our concept is very feasible, provided we can gain the trust and heart of consumers.